There's no party like an all-star party. The NASCAR All-Star Race roars into North Wilkesboro Speedway. It's back. NASCAR's biggest stars going for all the money under the lights. Get your tickets today at northwilkesborospeedway.com.
This is the WHKY News. I'm Ralph Mangum, and today's Community Focus segment is sponsored by Appalachian State University's An Appalachian Summer. Rob Eastwood and Lindsay Lewis have our May update from the Catawba County Libraries.
It's time for our monthly check-in with the Catawba County Library System. We are joined as always by Lindsay Lewis. And Lindsay, what's the latest buzz at the library?
Thank you, Rob. As May begins, we are busy getting ready for our annual summer learning adventure with activities and challenges for kids, teens, and adults. This year's theme is Color Our World. Join us at any of our branches for a mix of performances and educational programs by May Wildlife Rehabilitation Center, Critter Keeper, Green Bean Players, Catawba County Parks, South Mountain State Park, and Color Circus with Sigmund Theatricals. Registration for summer learning begins on Monday, May 12th, with programs, activities, and reading challenges starting Monday, May 27th. Children, teens, and adults are encouraged to complete at least 600 minutes of reading over the summer, with prizes up for grabs for those who complete the reading challenge. Everyone can celebrate the start of summer learning with kickoff festivities at all 7 library locations beginning the final week of May.
So before we get to the summer, what events do we have for the kids in May?
So this month, kids are invited to celebrate Free Comic Book Day at the main library in Newton on Saturday, May 3rd, and learn about Cinco de Mayo at the Southwest Branch on Monday, May 5th. The Conover branch is hosting Pre-K Bingo on Thursday, May 8th, while Maiden Branch's Lego Club will meet on Wednesday, May 21st. Lastly, families can learn about Rising Hope Farms at this month's Tales in the Garden at the main library in Newton on Tuesday, May 20th.
And we don't want to forget about the teenagers. What do you have in store for them in May?
For May, the teens can enjoy an evening of Dungeons & Dragons trivia at the Conover branch on Tuesday, May 13th, and learn how to make Pokemon origami book cards at the main library in Newton on Wednesday, May 21st. To register for any of our programs or to get more details on dates, times, and locations, please visit our website or call your local library branch. And don't forget, all branches will be closed in observance of Memorial Day on Monday, May 26th. Until next time, enjoy the sunshine, and we will see you at the library.
More from Rob and Lindsay can be found on the WHKY YouTube channel. WHKY's Arianna Mack has a scam warning from the state.
Attorney General Jeff Jackson is warning North Carolina homeowners to be on the lookout for contractor fraud as they continue to rebuild from Hurricane Helene. When hiring a contractor, the North Carolina Department of Justice recommends that people get multiple estimates and compare them. Do research on the business and business owner. Look for reviews, complaints, and licenses. Always get your contract in writing. Never pay the full amount up front. Contact NCDOJ's Consumer Protection Division at 1-877-5-NO-SCAM and the Better Business Bureau to learn about any complaints against the company. Earlier this month, Attorney General Jackson launched the Safe to Rebuild initiative in coordination with state and local law enforcement partners to protect North Carolinians from scams and fraud in the aftermath of Hurricane Helene. NCDOJ is making sure that would-be criminals know that we're keeping a close eye on Western North Carolina, and law enforcement will take action if we suspect property theft, contracting fraud, or other crimes that harm recovery efforts. You can read more about the initiative and find more tips on how to hire the right contractor at ncdoj.gov/safe-to-rebuild. I'm Arianna Mack for WHKY.
Thank you, Arianna. That's all for Community Focus today. On behalf of Arianna Mack, Rob Eastwood, Jason Savage, and Lindsay Lewis, I'm Ralph Mangum.